project. And in this project, the police department, the IT department, the urban affairs department, the municipal, and different departments are working together. And the ICCC has been very helpful for almost all the departments that are working in the ICCC. But our objective is to see that how we can further improve the functioning of the ICCC and make it even more productive. As you're aware, I was in Hyderabad a couple of days back and I had visited the ICCC there. And I was quite impressed to see the kind of setup that they have, and more importantly, the kind of system that they've created to ensure that the utility of the ICCC is at the highest level. So whether it is connection and coordination between the drones that they have and connecting those drones to the ICCC feed, whether it is the different microphones and the speakers that they have, where they can give direct order sitting in the integrated command and control center to that particular police point where they would like to give that message through that speaker out there. That kind of a micromanagement is being able to be done in a state like Telangana. Whether it is accidents that are happening and immediately while the accident is there, the camera is noting it, that camera is capturing that data and sending it to the health department. The health department immediately sends it to the hospital which is closest, and within minutes, even before the person calls, the ambulance and other facilities reach the location. So this is the kind of benefits that we can get. And so in order to ensure that the ICCC works in the most efficient and most productive manner and looks at the different models being implemented in different parts of the country, I had a meeting today with the Integrated Command and Control Center team, where Urban Affairs Department, Municipal Department, and our police, the IT and other departments all were here. And we discussed in detail about the functioning of the ICCC till date, how it has benefited the different departments, and more importantly, took suggestions on how we could improve the overall functioning of the department. And a very positive suggestion has come up that in order to make the ICCC even more productive in the long run, we may need to create a kind of a unified command where a director or CEO can be in charge and coordinates the efforts between the different departments that are there. And based on that suggestion, we went ahead with that decision today to create a proper system which will allow the integration of the different departments and allow them to work in proper coordination. And kind of a head will be there that will ensure that proper coordination takes place between the different departments that are there, and also figure out how we can improve and expand the reach of the Integrated Command and Control Center from just happening in Shillong to different parts of the state also. So for example, we would like to see the connections from here being made into major towns like Jowai and Tura, Reboy, Longstoin, and other critical locations that are there, and having our cameras and different mechanisms of inputs from these locations. So all of these suggestions were taken. The police especially was very, very proactive, and in fact the Integrated Command and Control Center in the last few months has really helped the police solve many, many cases. They have mentioned about how the recordings in these CCTVs has helped them resolve so many issues and crack so many cases. And they have suggested and urged that the drones should be also integrated, as well as more cameras should come up so that we can move further and improve the overall efficiency as well as the effectiveness of the Integrated Command and Control Center.